Hello guys, so welcome to Custom Venture. Thanks for always being there. God bless you. Really good. Today I will be sewing this trendy sleeve, pleated sleeve on the two. I will be sewing it on this two. Okay. So this is the two I will be using to sew it. I'm going to put the pleated sleeve there. So let's go on. So the first thing you are going to measure the of the hand, where you want your hand to reach. Okay, and then the next thing you can measure, it depends on how full you want yours to be. So I'm measuring 27, and then the depth of my shoulder to my neck, I need about 8. Okay, I need about 8. I make it 9 with the sewing allowance. 8, 9, this is 9. This is 9. So I connect them. Nine. Okay, so I believe you can all see it. So the next thing now, it depends on how wide you want your neckline to be. Mine is okay by 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So the shape is usually this shape or any other shape you want. So I mark it. This is 9. So I mark it to reach 8. So it's not too deep. So I connect it together. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will prepare pleating, but if you want gather, so you gather this place, you pleat it, okay? You use your machine to pleat it. You pleat it like that. Then, before you know the measurement of what you are going to pleat, you measure your two from the armpit here. This is the middle. Get your middle. So from your middle line, you measure it. So I have 14. This one 13.5. So what I will do now is that my pleating, I cut this one out. Okay, it's going to be something like this. I will line it. I will put line. So you start your gather. You start your pleating. Don't let it be straight. Make it slant. Okay. So the length you measure depends on how much you want it to be full. So you pleat this. Whatever you pleat, it has to fall into 40 inches for the neckline. 14 inches and 13 inches. The same thing you do to this side too. Okay, you pleat it. Okay, I will pleat it with the machine. The same thing goes, this is the front and this is the back panel. So I cut the same thing for the back panel. Okay, I will use this to cut the back panel. for the back one. For the back one, we start from here. So the zip allowance is left. We pleat it, we sew it to this point and turn it. Then we now join the two shoulder. Let's go to the machine. You are at the machine now. Okay. The if you take note of what I'm doing, I want to give the sleeve a shape. So I measure 1 inch in at the two sides. Okay, just 1 inch, just to give it a little curve. And then you just land it. Just land the two sides like that. So that by the time you cut it, it will not be too straight. But when you are doing this, you should be mindful of what you are cutting because of the sleeve mouth, the end of the sleeve, so that it will form in line with your armhole. Okay, so you cut it out. Okay, the same thing will be done to the front side and the this is the back side because it's not joint. So the same thing will be done to both the front and the back. You just will give it a little curve so that it will come out beautifully. Do the same to all. I will sew this place and turn it. I like it that way. Okay, I've pleated the sleeves. These are the one for the, and I said I was going to put lining, so I put lining to make it fuller. And then this is the front one, and this is the one for the back one, which I separated. This is the back one. It's lined, so to make it fuller. Then this is the front one that I'm going to join together. Let's go. Let's go to the machine. The center of the fabric and the center here. I pin it. Then I will sew this. But if you can take the pain of separating the lining and this, which will be a long journey, you can insert your pleated sleeves inside it. But this time I'm going to sew it over it. Okay, you still achieve the same thing. And then after stitching it, I will turn it over. Okay,